Welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the essentials of video editing for YouTube in 2025 and how you can create content that goes viral. To understand what goes viral, it's crucial to grasp the mechanics of YouTube's algorithm. Let's break it down. From Adobe Premiere Pro to Final Cut Pro and beyond, let's explore the essential tools that every creator should consider. Intros and outros can make or break your videos. Here's how to craft ones that keep your audience glued to the screen. Thumbnails and titles are your first impressions. We'll discuss designs that draw viewers in instantly. B-roll and cutaways are tools to elevate your storytelling. Let's see how to integrate these effectively. Enhance your videos with well-placed text and graphics that capture attention and improve retention. Clear audio is essential. Discover how to optimize your sound for a professional finish. Before uploading, let's ensure your export settings are perfect for YouTube with these key considerations. To wrap up, remember these best practices to keep your content consistently viral and engaging.